Here I have DJI OSMO ACTION, and today I'm going to show you how to detach battery from this device. So if you want to detach battery from it, the battery is located here, and to do that you just have to pull this switch, then pull this switch on this side, and after that battery will jump out just like this. And that's how you can detach battery from this device. And the same way you can put it back in and then hold it with some force, and that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.